Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another Coach for you today in another gorgeous pink colour. So this is the Coach Jamie. It's just a lovely, simple design. I'm going to talk you through all the features of it. So we have a removable and adjustable straps clipped onto either side. As you can see, it's got that little pop of pink at the bottom, which is really nice. And you can see that it's adjustable there as well. So we've got it on the shorter setting on both sides at the minute. And then we have two zip top closures. So we've got one at the front and one at the back as well. Both of those zips work really nicely and smoothly. And then we also have a flat pocket along the back. The front compartment is just got one nice open space in there. But the back compartment has got one little flat pocket inside there. Called the exterior condition very good. So there's just a bit of wear to the corners, and when I say a bit, it's literally a tiny bit. So you can just see where that pink colour has just worn very, very slightly on the corners. It's hardly noticeable at all. You can just see in those corners, but the rest of the leather, the rest of the exterior is perfect. It's in really nice condition. And then the hardware we've called excellent condition. There is no wear to that at all. You can see it's a lovely pale gold colour, and it's perfect. No scratches, no wear at all. The interior we have called very good. There's just, you can kind of just tell that it has been used before. So this back compartment you can see is in a really nice condition. I'm just going to show you in the front compartment again. So right on the base you could probably see a very slight little mark, but nothing major at all. So that's why I've called the interior a very good condition. I'll show you what it comes with. So we have the Coach little care guide as well as the Coach dust bag. And if you'd like to see this bag on our website, as always, go to the link in the description below. So that link should take you straight to this bag on armcandybagco.com. So straight to this product, you can see all the details for it, including the exact measurements. You'll be able to add it to the cart as well while it's still available through that link. If it doesn't take you to this and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we have a request list, so if you would like one of these, let us know and we'll get you on the request list, and then we'll let you know as soon as we have another one in. So that's the request list. Before we do that though, I am going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm size UK 10, I'm 5'4", and this is what it looks like on me. So you can wear it crossbody. Again, this strap is the shortest, on the shortest setting at the minute. You can make it a little bit longer though. It's just a nice simple bag. I can imagine this bag on the beach. It's a lovely summery kind of peachy pink colour. Put some sunnies in there. I think it's a really nice bag and a nice size as well, even if you just wanted to use it for every day, to add a little bit of a pop of colour to your everyday. So have a look at it on armcandybagco.com. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter on there, and we will send you through your welcome discount code, and we will see you very soon with some more gorgeous bags.